Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel and drawing with me. Let's learn how to draw Doraemon playing soccer today, shall we? Ready? Let us start drawing. We shall start by drawing the soccer ball today. Draw a circle at the top of the paper first. Next, we shall work on the design inside the soccer ball. At one side of the ball, draw two pentagon shapes. One nearer to the top, and another near the bottom. Then, proceed to add in two trapezium shapes at both sides. Let us shade them first. And we can work on joining the shapes up with small lines. Like so. Moving on, we shall start working on drawing the head. From the upper corner of the soccer ball, draw a big round. Do another round from the other side, ending slightly higher level compared to just now. And we shall proceed to work on the eyes. Draw two ovals at the top of the head. Followed by the expression of being hit by a soccer ball. Draw a small oval at the bottom corner first, then add in a tiny circle inside, like so. Shade the remaining area. Inside the other eye, draw two downward lines. Moving on, add in the inner outline for its face. Do close up the gap towards the end. And we can draw in a circle to represent the nose in between the eyes. Followed by a vertical line down for its groove. Then a rounded tick for its mouth. Add in its tongue next. Draw a rounded U and a small line in the middle. Let's continue by adding 3 lines on each side to represent the whiskers. Then we can move on to its leg kicking the soccer ball. At the side of the face, draw an oval. Then proceed to add the hands on this side. From the leg, draw 2 short lines outward. And add a circle at the end. Repeat similar steps for the other hand. It's time that we start working on the body now. From the hand we drew just now, add a curved line downward. Do another curved line inwards on the other side, heading towards the other leg. Next, from the oval, draw a line down. And close the gap on the other leg. Add a tilted U below, and we are completed with its leg. Time for the collar and bell next. Draw a slightly curved line across the intersection between the head and body. Then add in the bell. Slightly below the collar, draw a semicircle first. Do an U below. And on top of the bell, add 2 curved lines across. In the middle, draw a small circle and finish off with a line down. End off with another line below to complete the collar. Add in a round from the collar all the way to its leg for the tummy. Next, we can finally proceed to work on the iconic magical pocket. Draw a line across from the leg and stop a small distance away from the tummy line. Complete with a semicircle below. We are at the last step now. Can you guess what is still missing?
What?
Yep, its tail. Draw a small line and a circle below to complete. Hope you enjoyed drawing with me. Please help me like, share, and subscribe.